In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the WooCommerce plugin. If you're ready to transform your website into a fully functioning online store, WooCommerce is an excellent choice. It's a flexible and powerful plugin for WordPress that allows you to showcase your products beautifully, making online shopping a seamless experience for your customers. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to your WordPress admin dashboard. So, let's get started. Firstly, open up your web browser and log into your site's admin dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see various options to manage your site. What we're interested in today is the Plugins section. Plugins are add-ons that, when integrated into your WordPress site, expand its functionality. These can range from SEO tools to contact forms, and of course, e-commerce solutions like WooCommerce. Go ahead and click on Plugins, and you'll see an option to Add New. This section is similar to an app store, showcasing a wide array of tools you can integrate into your site. Now, in the search bar at the top right corner, type in WooCommerce and hit Enter. You'll be presented with the WooCommerce plugin among the top results. When you find WooCommerce, click on the Install Now button next to it. The installation process may take a few moments, so feel free to stretch or grab a cup of coffee while it works its magic. Once the plugin has finished installing, which you'll know because the button will now change to read Activate, go ahead and click that button. Now, activating WooCommerce is a crucial step because it turns on the plugin, readying it for use on your site. After activation, the WooCommerce Setup Wizard will automatically appear. This handy tool is designed to guide you through the initial setup, helping you to configure your store according to your preferences and requirements. It'll walk you through steps like adding your store's address, choosing your currency, and setting up shipping and tax details. It's user-friendly and ensures all the essential components are in place for your online store to run smoothly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully downloaded and activated the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site. Remember, setting up an online store is a journey, and this is just the beginning. Make sure to explore the various features WooCommerce offers, such as product management and payment integrations, to enhance your store even further. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy selling!